everyone. Let's start with class 8, chapter number 2, power play. 2.3, the other side of powers. In generalized form, n to the power a divided by n to the power b, which is equal to n to the power a minus b. So here 2 to the power 100. So question is, what is 2 to the power 100 divided by 2 to the power 25 in power of 2? So 2 to the power 100 divided by 2 to the power 25, which is equal to 2 to the power 100 minus क्या हो जाएगा 25 using the general form, which is equal to 2 to the power 75. Next question, why can't n be 0? n 0 क्यों नहीं है? As n to the power a divided by n to the power b, which is equal to n to the power a upon n to the power b, and this can be written as n multiplied by n multiplied by n multiplied by कितना टाइम्स आएगा? a टाइम्स अपॉन n multiplied by n multiplied by n multiplied by n b टाइम्स आएगा. अगर हमने n इक्वल टू 0 लिया, both numerator denominator involve multiplying by 0, then the denominator becomes 0, like 0 to the power a upon 0 to the power b. So if n equal to 0 and if b is greater than 0, then 0 to the power b is 0. We are dividing by 0, and which is undefined in mathematics. For example, 0 to the power 3 upon 0 to the power 2, which is equal to 0 upon 0, which has no defined value. Page number 29. Question is, we had required a and b to be counting numbers. Can a and b be any integer, and will the generalized form still hold true? If they are any integer, तो generalized form still true है क्या? So solution for power with the same base. अगर base same है, so n to the power a divided by n to the power b is equal to n to the power a minus b. This rule originally uses a and b as a counting numbers. यहाँ पे a and b क्या है? Counting numbers. But if a and b are any integer, अगर any integer है, then including 0 और negative number. Integer है, so इसमें 0 भी आ गया, negative number आ गए, and 1 2 3 is also there. So yes, the rule still holds as long as n is not equal to 0. Case 1, suppose example, suppose a and b are positive, so 2 to the power 5 upon 2 to the power 3, which is equal to 2 to the power 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2 to the power 2, which is equal to 4. यहाँ पे a and b क्या है? पॉजिटिव है. केस 2, इफ a और b में से एक 0 है, सो 2 to the power 0 upon 2 to the power 2, which is equal to 2 to the power 0 minus 2, which is equal to 2 to the power minus 2, which is equal to 1 upon 2 to the power 2, which is equal to 1 upon 4. So here n to the power minus a is equal to 1 upon n to the power a. Case 3, a or b are negative. So here 2 to the power minus 2 upon, suppose 2 to the power 3. So which is equal to 2 to the power minus 2 upon 2 to the power minus 3. So 2 to the power minus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 2 to the power 1, which is equal to 2. Next question, write the equivalent form of the following. First one is 2 to the power minus 4. So this is equal to 1 upon 2 to the power 4, which is equal to 1 upon 16. Using n to the power minus a equal to 1 upon n to the power a. Second one, 10 to the power minus 5, which is equal to 1 upon 10 to the power 5, which is equal to 1 upon power 5 is, so 5 zeros. Third one, minus 7 to the power minus 2. 1 upon minus 7 to the power 2, which is equal to 1 upon minus 7 to the power 2 is 49, and power even है, so माइनस साइन प्लस हो जाएगा. सो आंसर इज 1 अपॉन 49. फोर्थ वन, माइनस 5 टू द पावर माइनस 3, विच इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन माइनस 5 टू द पावर 3, विच इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 125. पावर ऑड नंबर है, सो साइन माइनस का आएगा. फिफ्थ वन, 10 टू द पावर माइनस 100, विच इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 10 टू द पावर 100. नेक्स्ट इज सिंप्लीफाई एंड राइट द आंसर्स इन एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म. सिंप्लीफाई करना है, आंसर्स लिखना है एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में. First one, 2 to the power minus 4 multiplied by 2 to the power 7. So 2 to the power minus 4 is using exponential form n to the power minus a up equal to 1 upon n to the power a, which is equal to 1 upon 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 2 to the power 7 equal to 2 to the power 7 minus 2 to the power 4, using n to the power a divided by n to the power b equal to n to the power a minus b, which is equal to 2 to the power 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. Second one, 3 square multiplied by 3 to the power minus 5 multiplied by 3 to the power 6. Using above exponential formulas, 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power minus 5 ko you can write 1 upon 3 to the power 5 multiplied by 3 to the power 6, which is equal to 3 to the power 2 minus 5 plus 6, which is equal to 3 to the power 2 minus 5 is minus 3 plus 6 is 3. Using n to the power a multiplied by n to the power b, which is equal to n to the power a plus b, and n to the power a divided by n to the power b equal to n to the power a minus b. एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे यूज किया हमने. सो आंसर इज 3 to the power 3 p to the power 3 multiplied by p to the power minus 10. So which is equal to p to the power 3 multiplied by, for p to the power minus 10, which is equal to, you can write it as p to the power minus 10 is 1 upon p to the power 10, which is equal to p to the power 3 upon p to the power 10, which is equal to p to the power 3 minus 10. Using formula n to the power a divided by n to the power b, which is equal to n to the power a minus b, which is equal to p to the power minus 7. Fourth one, 2 to the power 4 multiplied by minus 4 to the power minus 2, which is equal to 2 to the power 4 multiplied by, power minus है तो you can write it as 1 upon minus 4 to the power 2, which is equal to 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 1 upon minus 4 to the power 2 means 4 का power 4 square is 16 and even number है power में, so positive, so 1 upon 16, which is equal to 2 to the power 4 multiplied by, इसको हम 2 के फॉर्म में लिखेंगे, so 2 to the power 4, which is equal to 2 to the power 4 minus 4, using exponential formula n to the power a divided by n to the power b equal to n to the power a minus b, which is equal to 2 to the power 0, which is equal to 1. Answer. Fifth one, 8 to the power p multiplied by 8 to the power q, which is equal to base is same, powers addition p plus q, using formula n to the power a multiplied by n to the power b, which is equal to n to the power a plus b. If you like this video, then press the like button, and if you want to watch more such content, then subscribe to the channel. Thank you.